To connect your Google Pixel 9 with your car, first of all you have to start by opening settings, then go into the connected devices and move for connection preferences. Right now go for the Android Auto and now click to start to connect the car. And we've got three methods, so you can use the wired method by connecting cable inside the USB-C port of your Google Pixel 9 and then connect this into your auto-compatible USB port. Also, we can use wireless method, so we can choose your phone, the Google Pixel 9, from the list on your car screen, but you can also select, let's say that you don't have screen in your car, but you have the Bluetooth system, like for example in the Ford C-Max, then you can use the connecting the Bluetooth by clicking here, click to pair a car, and once you actually enter the pairing mode on your car, you have to click to pair new device, and now when your car will be on the list, you will have to just tap on it, and then the request will be sent to your car that you will have to accept. Of course, I cannot actually show you how it looks because there's like a lot of cars around the world. All of you guys have probably different cars, so this like short tutorial how we can actually find it and the base information about the three-way connection. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.